Well, people, today get you a nice buy upon US30 for a 15-minute demand zone. So I'll do a little recap, show you what got to there. Yeah, so 8 o'clock. Yeah, so 8 o'clock, I saw a few zones. So this was one, and I saw some other 15-minute zones. So right here, right here. So how do I know that these are demand zones? So all of them have a gap attached to the zone, and as of now, all of them have a break of structure. It's either a minor or a major break of structure that I'm seeing. So for the first one right here, the gap is from above the red candle to below that green candle right here. So price needs to come back and fill it. So price went up and came down and almost fill the remaining gap right here, but it need to come back and fill it and then head to the upward side. For this one, just a small gap under the red candle to above to under this green candle. So price almost came back as I see and gave us a top. And for this one is a 5 minute and 15-minute mix. So the 5 minute zone under the red candle, above the red candle to under the green candle. So this is the gap that price need to come and fill. Gap right here. Yeah, so let's play out and see what happens. Alright. So got the top right there on this 5 and 15-minute zone. Yeah. Price was playing around a little bit and then it broke out of this 5 and 15-minute zone. So even though it's a A plus setup, there was a zone close by. I'm glad that price broke out this zone and then went to the other zone, because price could have gave us the break of candle entry and do a fake out on us and would have lost this trade. Yeah, so I'm really glad price did that. Alright, now for this one, you have the 15-minute zone, you have the gap attached, you have the breaker structure. So the day started today, the 30th. Price made this high and then made even a higher high, which broke above this high. So that is our break of structure. Yeah, we're on the 15 minute. We can either wait on the 15-minute break of candle or enter on the 5 minute break of candle. This is kind of risky at times, but because price was trending, yeah, I was confident in it. Yeah, so we got the top into the zone, break of structure. Only thing we're waiting on now is the break of candle. That's when the next candle that's playing out go above this candle. So that would be our entry. As you can see, our we missed the entry, yeah, and then price came down back, and then we did get a good entry even though price came down back. Yeah, so the entry was about right here, SL under here, and TP about right there. Yeah, So as you can see, if we got this good entry, would have been out the trade from a long time. Yeah, that's why when you're trading, you should be very focused because there was no telling that I would actually win this. But the reason why I was confident is because this is a 15-minute demand zone. So 15-minute kind of takes longer. So I was just gauging both of them and it actually played out for the one-to-one that I wanted. Alright, let's give an update on the fibers. So currently up $276. Yeah, on a little winning streak right now. If I just keep the same discipline, I will hopefully pass this account by this week or early next week. Yeah, currently 73% win rate. Yeah, profit factor 2.78. Yeah, so tomorrow again, same discipline. US30 or Nasdaq.